Horses out of Crystal's Beauty. Pass to begin Luna Rosa. Makisig alongside third. Then down on the inside port on a Rose. Then comes Money Queen Anonymous, and he's the man, he's the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, Crystal's Beauty. By about 2 lengths, Makisig now moving up to take second, Luna Rosa in third. On a Rose, he's racing in fourth, he's the man in fifth. Then comes Money Queen and Anonymous, trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. And that's still Crystal's Beauty leads the way by Lincoln trying to get closer now in second on the outside is Makisig. Luna Rosa down on the inside port. He's the man on a Rose, Money Queen, then Anonymous. And that's still Crystal's Beauty by about 3 for Balenga. Makisig moving up on the outside. And in third, he's the man Luna Rosa as they come down at the last 150. Makisig is on the outside. Crystal's Beauty is running by there. Crystal's Beauty, Makisig fighting out for the leader. Crystal's Beauty, Makisig is on the outside. Makisig, Crystal's Beauty, entering the finish line. It's going to be close finish. Makisig, Crystal's Beauty, Money Queen.
71436. Ay, hindi, 7143.
Bahagya.